Oh, hi there. Did you hear? MicroSurvey inCAD and embeddedCAD 2025 have been released. What does that mean for you? Well, walk with me. Let's talk about it.
inCAD supports AutoCAD, AutoCAD Map 3D, and Civil 3D 2025. embeddedCAD comes with the AutoCAD OEM 2025 engine.
There was the OneDrive issue, where save files are locked unexpectedly.
No longer will you see the crash recovery wizard on drawing open for drawings in a OneDrive location.
Fast area now shows scaled acres and hectares.
With the output scale enabled, the fast area command will apply that scale factor to all computed areas displayed on the command line.
And my favorite, curves now have 10 label styles to control labeling precisions. And we upped the number of bearing and distance styles to 10.
The 10 new curve label styles will pull the decimal places and rounding from the associated bearing and distance styles. Here we've got the distances are listed to 4 decimal places, while the chord bearing is rounded to the nearest 5 seconds. And the distances to 1 decimal place with the chord bearing rounded to the nearest 30 seconds. The bearing and distance styles have been increased from 5 to 10, and of course those are retained when the labels are rescaled.
Get a free trial today from your MicroSurvey sales rep or from microsurvey.com. Thanks for walking with me. Have a good day.